Hi, I'm Beck and food's my life. So if you're making meat and veg but you want to change things up a little bit, stay tuned because in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make chicken the way my Nonna used to, and it's spectacular. It's coming right up. So today I'm making red wine and rosemary chicken, but I like to call this Nonna's chicken because this takes me back to my childhood. This is how my Nonna used to cook her chicken, and whenever I cook it for myself and I get the smell, the intense flavours, it just takes me back to being in Nonna's unit in Brisbane, visiting on my school holidays, and that smell was just so comforting. The bonus with this recipe too is it's really simple to make, so let me show you how. So this is super simple. All you need is a large heavy base fry pan. In this I'm going to put a nice dob of butter and also about a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, now to this I'm going to add my pieces of chicken. And this is all on a very low heat. So my chicken's in. Now I'm going to just scatter on top some pieces of fresh rosemary, and I've got about 6 or 7 cloves of garlic here that I have squashed, so I've bruised them really well to allow all that flavour to come out. This is actually smoked garlic, but you don't need to use smoked garlic. So scatter them around the chicken, and now a generous splash of red wine. The other little ingredient that I have added to my Nonna's recipe is at this stage I sprinkle some chicken stock powder over the top, just a little bit. This just adds some saltiness to it. And now, keeping it on this low heat, we're going to cover it and let it cook really, really slowly. So I've just turned them all over. As you can see, it's got that beautiful colour on it from the red wine. And now I'm just going to put the lid back on and cook for another 20. So my chicken has been cooking 20 minutes on low each side. 40 minutes all up. I know those drumsticks are well cooked. But now the next step is vital. This is where the magic happens. What you need to do at this point is you take the cover off and let the chicken keep cooking so that all those lovely juices, that red wine and butter, can evaporate, reduce. And what you'll end up having is a lovely caramelization on the sides of your chicken. So it's going to be a lovely dark brown color, a little bit crispy perhaps even, and those bits are going to be packed full of flavor. And this smells amazing, guys. Like, this is the smell of my Nonna's kitchen. This takes me right back to my childhood. This is so nostalgic for me. Oh, this chicken is awesome. You really have to try it.